Hello, I'm Luna. Welcome to English with Luna. Today, I'm going to tell you a simple and calm story in English. A story about a small family moment and the quiet feeling of being together. This story will help you improve your listening, your vocabulary, and help you feel more comfortable with English. So just relax, listen carefully, and if you can, repeat the sentences after me. Don't worry if you don't understand everything. Just follow the story. Let's begin. It is late afternoon. The light is soft, warm, golden. Inside the house, everything feels calm. Emma walks into the living room. She looks around. The sofa, the table, the window. Everything is quiet. She hears something from the kitchen. Soft sounds, plates, water. She walks slowly and looks inside. Her mother is there, preparing something. "Hi," Emma says softly. Her mother turns and smiles. "Hi, Emma." "What are you doing?" Emma asks. "Just making something simple," her mother says. Emma watches her for a moment. Then she leans on the table. The smell is warm, familiar, comforting. Emma smiles a little. From the other room, the TV is on, low volume. Her father is sitting there, watching, relaxed. Emma looks back at her mother. "Do you need help?" she asks. Her mother smiles again. "Yes, that would be nice." Emma nods. "Okay." She moves closer and starts helping. Slowly, quietly, no rush, just small movements and a calm feeling. Outside, the day is ending. Inside, something simple is beginning. Emma and her mother work side by side. Slow movements, quiet space. Her mother cuts vegetables. Emma places the plates on the table. One, then another. Everything feels calm. After a few minutes, her father walks into the kitchen. "Smells good," he says. Emma looks at him and smiles. "Yeah, it does." Her mother laughs softly. "Dinner is almost ready." Her father nods. "Good." He sits at the table and watches them for a moment. Emma finishes setting the table. 3 plates, 3 glasses. Simple, but enough. "Let's eat," her mother says. They all sit down, together. Emma takes a small bite. Warm, comforting. "This is really good," she says. Her mother smiles. "Thank you." For a moment, they eat in silence. Not uncomfortable, just calm. Then her father speaks. "How was your day?" he asks. Emma thinks for a moment. "It was okay," she says. Her mother looks at her. "Just okay?" Emma smiles a little. "Yeah, but now it feels better." Her parents smile. They understand. They continue eating, talking a little, then quiet again. No pressure, no rush, just being there, together. And somehow that is enough. Dinner is over. The plates are almost empty. The table is quiet, but full in a different way. Emma stands up slowly. "I'll help," she says. Her mother smiles. "Thank you." They begin to clean, side by side. Water, plates, soft sounds. Nothing loud, nothing fast. Her father stays at the table for a moment. Then he stands up too. "I'll dry," he says. Emma smiles. "Okay." Now they are all together, in the kitchen, doing something simple but together. Emma looks at them, her mother, her father, close, present, here. She feels something inside, something calm, something warm. She didn't notice it before, but now she does. "This is nice," she says softly. Her mother looks at her. "Yes, it is." Her father nods. "Simple, but good." Emma smiles. "Yes, simple, but good." After a few minutes, everything is clean. The kitchen is quiet again. The lights are soft. The air feels calm. They walk to the living room and sit together. No plans, no rush, just the moment. And for a while, nothing else matters. Thank you for listening. I hope this story helped you feel calm and a little closer to English. Maybe you understood everything, maybe only a little. And that's okay. You don't need to understand every word. Just listening, again and again, is already helping you improve. You can come back to this story anytime. Listen slowly. Repeat the sentences. And little by little, you will feel more confident, more natural, more relaxed. Learning English can be simple. It can be part of your day, just like a small moment with family. Keep going. You're doing better than you think. See you in the next story.